Right, we have a 2014 Subaru Forester, and today we're gonna fix a problem that I found on it. It's the AC fan speed only works on speed 1 and sometimes on 4. I did a previous patchwork where this is the part that's burnt on it, so I cleaned it up. So I put some of this product here, the bulb grease. That's what I used on it, and so far it held on. So now I can use all the speed. See, 3 is turned off, 2 is working, 3 doesn't work, and 4 is working. So that's what I need to fix. When doing any electrical repairs, it is important to disconnect the negative battery part. All right, it's disconnected. Now we can work safely. First, I'm gonna use one of these tools here to pry open the front part. Okay, so what I'm looking for is to remove this front panel right here to get to this. And to do that, there are 2 wires at the bottom, one on the passenger side and one on the driver's side. On the driver's side, this is the one right here, this one. So I need to get to it. The best way to get to it is there's a pinch here. I have to pinch. Oh my God, it's hot. Yeah, I was running the car. So if I zoom a little bit, maybe you can see better without this in the way, but yeah, it looks like that. That little part there, if you pinch it, this goes in, you can see, and then you pull the wire out. So that's how it works. So let's go on the passenger side and get the other side, and we'll be good to go. Most people would remove the glove box and then get to it because it's on that side right there. Blower motor cover to access it from the bottom, and it's very easy. You just move this. There you go. See, it's out. There's one in the middle. There you go. Careful not to break anything. And this there. I can probably just pull so that's out. And the second part, I need to get this. Okay, so this is under the passenger side. It's this one. This is the next cable. So for this part, on the other side, it's also like that. You just push the bottom part or the top part, but it's better to push it down and then pull with your other hand. So it's out, as you can see. So it was sitting in there. It was in there. All right, so we'll get it out. Now we can pull the whole front out. Let's go. So, okay, so now the 2 cables are out. So all I need to do is carefully pull this out. Oh, I need to get the bottom. At the bottom here. Okay, so it's out. I'm gonna pull this gently out because those cables are in there. You can see the white and the blue. You need to gently reel them out, but the blue and the white. So now I can reach them, pull them out. Now it's not completely out, so I need to, where I really need to get is to the bottom. So I'm gonna, oh my goodness, it's hard to do this with only one hand, but this is what I'm going for. This big one right here. I'm gonna unplug that, and this is what I need to change. I need to change this part. Okay, one moment. Okay, and this is the part where I'm having trouble, right? So as you can see, it was burning already. So if I left it like that, it was gonna melt the whole part. So I'm gonna probably need to clean it up, and then here's the culprit right here. So I need to remove all that, cut it, and replace it with this part. I'm not sure if it's perfect match. Yeah, I thought I should show you a little more, because man, this is bad. This is what's stopping the fan speed from going to different speed level. Right, it's not the cleanest of cuts, but I cut just enough to still be able to see the colors that I took down. And as I'm replacing this, you know, this with this, I need to keep all the wires to the exact color to match. All right, so I'm not gonna solder them. This is what I'm gonna use, heat shrink tubing. So these are the ones I'm gonna use. They come with a heat shrink, and the package that I bought these with also came with connections. I already bought this, so I'm gonna use this material here. All right, I already separated everything. So now we can just go ahead and connect everything. Okay, so now everything has been I already put the connector on all of them. Now I just need to connect the other half, which is this. So once I connect this there, matching the exact colors of what I cut in here, then I will connect to the unit right here. So I still need to clean that part right there. It looks very burnt, so I don't get any more problems on this. Right, I'm almost done. This is the last one left to do, so I'm gonna connect it here. So what I do, I use this grease. You can use it however you want, but just don't put too much. So I do it like this. This grease is gonna help it get a stronger connection. So take my heat shrink right here. Basically just connect it. That's pretty much it. So then I pinch it. I use this. Right, once I pinch it, then I use this. I don't know exactly what we're supposed to use for it, but I use a lighter. Just get a lighter and pretty much till it shrinks tight. That's good. And I separated both of them, so I'm gonna get both halves, and that's pretty much it. I like the shrink, tube shrink, whatever it's called, shrink tubing. I like it. It makes it look clean. Yeah. On the other sides, I put tape because I wasn't trusting it, but it looks good. I'm gonna triple check that all the wires are supposed to be connected. I already did that, but before you do the shrink, you need to make sure every wire is exactly as it was on the first one. Otherwise, you just change the whole wiring, and you have to go to Subaru to do that. It's about $1,000 or more. So yeah. So now all I have left to do is plug it in, check it with the unit, this unit right here, see if it works, then I close it. That's it. I'm sure it's gonna work. That's why I already closed everything there. And that we're gonna see on the next video. And now this is the finished product. This is what I did. I replaced the harness, the connector from this one. So if you have your speed fan, AC speed fan going, not working, when you turn it, if it only works at number 4, your resistor is broken, it's damaged. If it only works at one of these speeds or not at all, it could be all of this, which is this part right here, all of this that's broken, that's damaged, or it could just be this connector that could be burnt. And usually this is the result of the resistor not working properly or being damaged. It will cause this to also burn.